pops out. On, off, heated, cooled seats, all your climate controls, storage, cup holders, good sized little, whatever you call that thing, glove box. Super nice wheel. It's nice and thick. That's how we like it, you know, nice and thick. And yeah, so I've owned this car for just over a year now, and honestly it's been a really good experience. If there's anything you guys want to know, just ask in the comments and I'll try and get to as many questions as I can. Just joking, I'll probably get to all of them. There's probably only going to be like one or two, if that. Yeah, but other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. There's just some driving clips, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. The car does have a lot of insulation, so you don't hear a lot of road noise. It is fairly quiet, and yeah, it's just a very enjoyable car to drive, especially down these back streets. You just gotta watch out for buddies with tractors and stuff like this. I'm sure you guys deal with the same problem in LA, and yeah. Overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's a solid car. If you're in the market, 100% check it out. You won't be disappointed for sure. And if there's anything else you guys want to know, just leave it in the comments, and I'll answer all those questions. Other than that, I will see you probably tomorrow or the day after. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.